The wait is over. This is a real-time clothes simulation on a Metahuman in Unreal Engine, and this is done with Style 3D Simulator. This is crazy. This is amazing. You think I'm not telling you the truth? Watch this video to the end and you will know this is real-time clothes simulation in Unreal Engine on a Metahuman. And to get Style 3D Simulator, watch this video to the end and you will know how to download Style 3D Simulator and use it into Unreal Engine. Alright, so in the beginning of this tutorial, I'm gonna walk you all through how to use Style 3D Simulator in Unreal Engine, and we are gonna test it with a wind in real time and also with an animation in real time. And at the end of the video, I'll show you how to get Style 3D Simulator and how to bring it in Unreal Engine. So let's just dive into it. Okay, so to start, we will need our Metahuman in here, and we will go to the BP new Metahuman identity, and I'll select the body here and I'll go to add, and I'm gonna add Style 3D. So they have Style 3D obstacles, Style 3D volume access field, and Style 3D wind. So we are gonna add the Style 3D. Okay, so you click on that and you scroll down to export obstacle. Now under the slave obstacle, you have to add two elements. So under the index 0 and index 1, we need to put in the head mesh of our Metahuman. If you don't know the name of it, just go to the blueprint and click on the head and you're gonna see new Metahuman identity. This is the skeletal mesh asset. So I'm gonna click and I'm gonna look for new Metahuman identity face mesh. The next one we are gonna export is the sneakers. So you just click on the sneakers, skeletal mesh asset, that's the name, F tall, now normal weight, shoes. So we are gonna go to the index 1 and I'll click and I'm gonna look for F tall normal weight shoes. So I'll just click it, and all we have to do is say export obstacle. So I'll just click on it and I'll just choose the folder I want to export it in. So let me say 2tat SMD. Okay, so I'll just click on it and you see down there finish exporting obstacle. So we are done exporting our obstacle, so we need to jump into Style 3D Atelier. That's where you're gonna create your clothes. All right, so yeah, we are in Style 3D Atelier, and I will just go in and delete this one, but you already will first bring in your avatar and the one we got from Unreal. So remember, the one we just exported. So I'll go to file. I don't even have to go to file. I can just say this is it. So I'll just drag and drop it in here, and it's gonna ask me, yeah, so it's gonna ask me open. I'll just say add. So for the scale, we'll just leave these like that, and I'll just say okay. So it's gonna fit perfectly because I have already done that, and I can just try and simulate, and yeah. So okay, so yeah, so we can simulate, and matter of fact, I even want to change the fabric. So actually I want a laser fabric. I want you to see how powerful this is, because when we export the SMD, we are gonna get these materials in Unreal Engine. That's why I'm going for this one. So I'll just click okay. Oh yeah, I like it. So what I'll do is a little bit of simulation. Okay, so just like that. So I will select them all. I'll go to File, Export SMD, and I'm gonna name this to SMD tab. So here I'm gonna say unified UV coordinate and bake all maps, bake diffuse map, normal map, roughness map. Yeah, and I'll say okay. Yeah, so it's gonna take some time to load, and after that we gotta jump into Unreal Engine. So saving file. So it's actually SMD succeeded. So we gotta jump into Unreal Engine. So yeah, we are in Unreal Engine, and I'm gonna bring in the go to content, and I'm gonna bring in the SMD. So this one, all right. So I'll drag and drop this in, and it's gonna calculate. So I think we have it in. Okay, so this is it. All right. So I can first you have to go to here and say style 3D asset config, and make sure you say using baking texture. So select this one. So you're gonna have your textures in there, and I will double click, and this is our texture. So the textures we had in style 3D, now we are having it in here. Okay, perfect. All right, so what we have to do is move on with our simulation, okay, because that's what we are in here for. All right, so go to the BP Metahuman identity, and you'll scroll down to style 3D. Okay, and now metadata asset, this is where we are going to bring in our SMD. Okay, so you just click on your SMD, and voila, we have it on our Metahuman. Yeah, amazing, right? We have it on our Metahuman. So this is it. Okay, let me just go back. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so now all you have to do again is you're gonna click bind, group, and save. Okay, so for the first test, we want to run this in real time, and then the next one we're gonna run this with an animation. Okay, so I will go down, and under runtime mode, I'll say garment simulate. Okay, so to actually demonstrate, all I'll have to do is I'll go to the body, and I'll say add, and I'll say style 3D wind. So I will go to here, and I'll say all class, and I'm gonna search for wind. Search for wind. So wind directional source. Okay, so let me bring the wind here, somewhere like here. Go down through the yeah, let me rotate it. So this is how you rotate the wind. Yeah, you click on the your Metahuman, you go to style 3D wind, and you can now rotate the wind. Okay, so I want to click on the wind like 5. That's the strength, and the speed like 1. Okay, I really want to push this, so Let me just click on it and see what's gonna happen. Man, this is running in real time, man. You can see the movement. The movement. This is simulating in real time. Again, I wanna push the speed to something like 10 and strength like 10. Okay, let's see what we're gonna have. Okay, still not bad. There's something going on. Yeah, we can see it at the back very well. And again, this is running in real time. You can see it here. Check this. You can see the movement. So let me try for the last time. I'll go to the the wind. I'll make the strength like 500, and okay, a little bit of turbulence. I'll push the turbulence. Okay, so let's just play and let's just see what's gonna happen. Whoa, man, this is running in real time. You see this? This is running in real time on a Metahuman. Clothes running in real time on a Metahuman in Unreal Engine scene, bro. This is amazing. Bro, this is style 3D. This is style 3D, bro. This is style 3D. This is what we are talking about, bro. Real time clothes in Unreal Engine, bro. This is crazy, man. Hey, look. Let's just jump into the animation side and let's see what's up, okay? So I have my animation in here. So I want to use this animation. Yeah, this walk animation. Let me close it. So let me zoom in a little bit. So this is how you're gonna do it. You just go to your Metahuman, and remember we have to get the animation for the body. So go to top and say use animation asset. Okay, and oh sorry, we are gonna check the name of the animation. That's walking _1 blah blah blah. So on the body, I'll just say walking. Yeah, this one. I just click it, and this is what we are gonna have. But don't worry, go to style 3D and scroll down to pose fitting. This is where all the magic happens. So pose fitting, we're gonna need an A pose asset, and mostly I come in here and I just use the F med now wait cow I pose. I use this pose, and okay, voila, we have it. We have it on. We have the cloth on the Metahuman. Okay, so what I can also do is make sure you have enable pose fitting. So I'll just click pose fitting. Okay, so it's gonna move into the animation pose. So just like that. Okay, and at this point we can start simulating our garment. Okay, so now I can go to the wind, and I can let me see, activate the wind, and actually I wanna bring the wind in just like this. Okay, and I want the wind to fall around like 200. Okay, and we'll go to style 3D, and I'll scroll down here And under runtime mode, we have garment simulate, but we can put it to garment cache record. So this time you are recording a cache. So this is the name of your cache. You can name it however you want it. So maybe I can copy. I can select and Control C to copy it. And when we press on it, we are gonna simulate the animation that we just placed on our Metahuman. So let's check it. Okay, so there we go. And the wind is also going through. Remember, we have the wind also going through, and this is playing a cache on our Metahuman, all right, and our clothes, and this is also running as a cache, and the cache is running so smooth, man. This is amazing, man. Let me see if I can try and move around. Okay, okay, okay. I can move. Okay, I can move around. Now remember the wind. The wind is working here. Okay, the wind is working, man. This is crazy. And I can just let it simulate. Now we are around 6 seconds. I can let it simulate however I want it. Alright. And it is still working, man. Still working, still working, still working. Okay. And I can stop it. So you will go down. So runtime mode, you set it to garment cache play, not garment cache record, garment cache play. So we are gonna go down to under cache play, cache to play. You have to put in the name of your cache that you recorded. So mine is cache underscore 0.2. Mine is cache underscore 0.2. And here I can say loop, or but definitely I go match avatar time and use avatar pose in cache. Okay, so let me just play our cache and see how it's going. Okay, it's going all smooth. So it's actually looping. Yeah, this is very amazing. Simulated in Unreal Engine. Man, this is crazy. On a Metahuman, damn, this is crazy. This is crazy. Okay, so now let's take it into the sequencer and see how it's gonna look. All right. So I will just bring in. Let me actually save. I'll double click the sequencer, and we are gonna drop in Metahuman in here. And definitely I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna close that and this, and I'm gonna close delete the control rigs. And under the BP Metahuman identity, I'll click and I'll go for style 3D. Now mine is style 3D 1 because that's how I named it. So let me just show you what I mean. So under the BP, you can see I have style 3D 1, but it's actually style 3D. So you're gonna get style 3D, not style 3D 1. So that's why I have style 3D 1 here, because but definitely it's style 3D. Default is style 3D. Okay, so you just click it, and under the body, I'm gonna select the walk animation. Okay, I'll drop it, and another style 3D, I'll just select. I'm gonna go for the garment cache. Okay, and when I play it, boom. All right, so let me try and boost the length a little bit. So let me try and go somewhere like this, and bring this here. Okay, and let me boost the length just like so. Okay, and let me loop it. Okay, so when I play it, this is what we have. Bro, this is amazing. So you can just render this out. Okay, this is crazy. You seeing this right here? Bro, this is amazing. Boom, 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 boom. Damn. So yeah, this is very amazing, and this is crazy, and I'm really loving this. All right. because it's gonna take you, bro. I don't know if it's even possible to simulate on a MetaHuman with clothes in Unreal Engine without Style 3D. I don't know if it's possible. Okay, so um, I want to show you something right quick. So how do you get Style 3D Simulator? All you have to do is just go to the website simulator.style3d.com and you're gonna get to this site. And when you scroll down, you can get a 30-day free trial. And after that, or maybe you can just skip the free trial and just going for the individual plan or the enterprise plan, how you want it. All right. So when you download it, you're gonna have this this zip file right here. So with this zip file, when you extract it, you are gonna get for 5.0, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3. I don't think they have 5.4 yet. I think they are working on it, and 5.3. So I'm using 5.3. So you're gonna take this one. You grab it, or maybe you can drag and drop, or you can just Control C on the Windows keys, and you copy it. So we're gonna go to Engine and plugins. So you're gonna drop it into this folder, the plugins folder, and that is it. You are done. So when you just hop into Unreal, you just go to plugins and you search for Style 3D Simulator, and you just select it. And you have to, when you select it, you have to restart it, and you have it here at the top here. So when you click it, you have to log in and you start using Style 3D. All right. So to dive in very deep, we have the Style 3D channel here. They post a lot of videos, about Style 3D. And if you really want to dive into this whole Style 3D simulator, there's a video here, Metahuman Complete Processing Atelier and Simulator. Yeah, this video is gonna take you very in depth into the Style 3D simulator and troubleshooting and all of that. So definitely check them out, check their videos out, and yeah, it's your boy A to the K Alexander King Kwame. And on our next tutorial, we are gonna simulate any 3D clone from any 3D software in Unreal Engine on a MetaHuman. Do you know how crazy that is? Click the subscribe button and you are not gonna miss that out. Alright, peace out.